Welcome back, guys. Today I have a great news for all the holders and all the traders of Cryptopia exchange. So I am going to share such a great news with all of you, but before moving on I will show you the analysis of coin market cap. At this time BTC dominance is going down. Here you can see it is going down up to about 0.4%, and right now the BTC dominance is only 63.9%. And as you can see it by yourself that other altcoins are going up at this time due to the shortage and due to the, you can say, the dominance of BTC is going down. So that's why altcoins, basically number of money, number of fiat currencies basically entering in altcoins. So definitely your altcoins will go on the moon very soon if you are going to hold them for some time. So here is your time, basically start up. And before moving on, kindly do subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon. And if you didn't basically subscribe and follow me on social media, kindly do follow me on all the social media, so you are going to get all the news before anyone else. Right now what is basically happening in the market, I will show you that one. Right now the Cryptopia users win victory in court case over crypto assets worth over 100 million. Wow, it's a great news. Here you can see in the fallout from the New Zealand cryptocurrency exchange, Cryptopia users at last have a little good news in a court ruling over how the remaining crypto assets will be distributed. Basically, Mr. David, who's basically the judge over there at the High Court, said users of the exchange are entitled to the assets they hold in Cryptopia accounts, deciding they should be classed as property as they were held in separate trust accounts. An alternative ruling would have seen the assets classed as normal debts to be distributed among both users and creditors. Here you can see each and everything. The company had over 800,000 users with positive balance that would need to be reimbursed, but 37 creditors and 90 shareholders have also been vying for their stake in the remaining assets of the company. Following the hack in January of the last year in 2019, it was discovered that Cryptopia has lost around NZ 30 million, New Zealand money $30 million. It is around you can say 17.85 million in US dollar in various cryptocurrencies. Funds that are still missing, with police still not having disclosed if they have any real suspects or not. The branch left the crypto assets worth the New Zealand currency 170 million, or you can say 101 US dollar. So here basically 101 million US dollar held by the exchange. Grant Thornton, New Zealand, which was assigned to oversee the firm's liquidation process last May, is still trying to ascertain the details of which users held which cryptocurrencies due to poor record the keeping at Cryptopia. It means anyone who has the assets on Cryptopia, he will definitely get all the assets back very soon, because right now the New Zealand High Court basically announced that very soon all the assets will be released from the Cryptopia exchange, and everyone who has account over there on Cryptopia exchange will definitely get all his assets back. So wow, it is such a great news. Even I am also the victim of that one. So definitely you are going to get back your money very soon. It is more than about $101 million. So it is entirely a big news for all the holders and all the users of Cryptopia, that right now the victory is here and we will definitely get back all the altcoins and even all the coins which we have on Cryptopia exchange. Very soon I'm going to share that one thing with you, when they are going to basically give our assets back to us. And in maximum you can say that 2 or 3 months, you can see this thing that we will get all the assets back. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also stay tuned with us, because I every time share latest news regarding the crypto, which is entirely best for all of you. Thanks a lot.